like that.
And again, watch that back foot. So just drop that heel a little bit. There we go. Yes. Good. Oh, hey. Those cheeky little bunny hops keep creeping in. Yes. You're the man. You are the man. Let's keep going. Let's go, let's go, let's go. One more. One for the road. Nice and big. That's a bunny hop. That's next. That's it. Well done. Nice pop. It's brilliant. You can do it. Okay, that's food. Look at that. Brilliant. Yes, switch. Let's do it. Let's do it. That's it. Nice big bunny hop. Yes, first time. Good attack. Fantastic. Well done. Get attack, 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 attack. Big bunny hop. Oh. Oh, go. Yes. 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 Okay. It's your first one. That's your first right. Not too bad. Let's come in. That's it. So your hips are forwards, can you see? Come in, come in there. Nice and that's it. Yeah, get that shake going. That gear's much better. Nice. Keep that going all the way through. Don't lose those elbows. That's it. Drive it through. That's your... Nice. That bike's moving. Come on, that's it. Keep it going. That's it. Get those elbows up. And that's it on that outside edge. Nice. And again. And again. Keep checking those hips. Are they above your feet? Nice. And again. Yay. Nice. Nice. Look at that.